On this episode of Saturday Night Shop Talk, we're going to be discussing the 29-degree screw thread tool gauge by Brown and Sharpe. This is for the Acme um, standard um, threading, and it also has the 29 degree. I don't know if you can read that or not, but it is I'll read it for you. It's a setting 29-degree thread tool. So you would put this on your keychain or put it on any kind of chain for that matter and do quick checks while you grind up a tool. So, with these items, when they were bought brand new, in the price book here I have, that is from Brown and Sharpe, they were $3.30, brand new. That is, I believe this book was written in the 30s. I can reference that real quick. 1935, this book was written on. So, 1935, you could have picked this up and you would have got this for $3.50, which was a good chunk of money back in those days. So, someone had to work a long, long time to get that. So, the operation in this, it goes like this. Okay. Grind up your tool to match, let's go this one. This is number one. To match that. Okay. Then you put your tool in here, like so. And then you see if you're getting it in shape or not. If not, you gotta do more grinding. And you can also change the pitch of the tool and the angle of the tool, whatever meets your desire. But basically, this is a reference gauge. That's all it is. So it goes from, it says in the book, 14.5 or 29-degree included angle. What that means is the angle which you're cutting, not cutting, I'm sorry, grinding, you'll have a 29-degree on that, or a 14.5, whichever you prefer. But generally, all worm gears, which that's what Acme's are, worm gears are all the same. And they all are perfect instruments of the Acme standard threads, which, if anyone doesn't know, Acme not only has their own threads, but Brown Sharpe also has their own threads. They also have Brown and Sharpe pitch. I forget the number of it was. It wasn't. I forget what number it was, but it goes Morse taper pitch, Brown Sharpe. Acme's even had their own for a little while, and so on and so forth. There's many other ones that had it. But anyways, that's it, guys, for this episode of Saturday Night Shop Talk. Be sure to give a thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe. Later.